the west is love, started with the sea, stronger than the wildest horses and the rising tide. The chords are dead hung so heavy on our necks, will be left at the great divide. Flood waters rise, but it won't wash away. Love never dies. It will hold on more fears and grace. On the open plain, past the time and the longest bloodline, there shines an immortal flame, somewhere in between forever and the passing days. There's a place moth and rust cannot lay waste. This is grace, the face of love.